My name is Jake Schimenz, a current professional quarterback that's looking at transitioning into the coaching space. The first thing I had to do when I was transitioning into that process was creating a playbook. Now, 90 whatever percent of people, as they're creating this playbook, they usually use Huddle. It's a platform that American football teams use. However, I decided to go with Notion, and Notion was the best decision of my life. Jonathan, I reached out to him, kind of showing me the different ways that he could use Notion to create my playbook, make it very efficient, make it easy to understand, and make it easy to maneuver throughout the process. Not only working with Notion, but working with Jonathan specifically made it 1,000 times easier to get what I needed accomplished in a very timely manner. And the best part about working with Jonathan was we were done with the entire Notion project, the entire playbook in less than a day. We all know as business people that time is money. And working with Jonathan, you're definitely going to have your time and it's always going to be efficient meetings.